We all, as a customers, if we want to buy something, then we need to know the professional of the products, also the service. Customers came to us with a clear requirement, sending 90mm thickness workpieces. We responded immediately and arranged a factory trial run on the spot. Using 80mm bolts stacked into 90mm, our sanding machine delivered perfect results. Look at the video. Unlike traditional up-and-down sanders, our features less wet movement for more stable finish with max thickness up to 160mm. One machine handles both raw wood sanding and laser polishing. Quick response, reliable quality.